Hi everybody, I'm Joe Summers, and along with my family, we own and operate Chalily. We're inviting you to our house on September 18th for a garden tour. So come along on our garden tour. We call it Splash. And the last stop on that tour is our home and garden. So I want to show you around a little bit. When you first pull up to our house, you're going to see a pondless waterfall. This is a double-sided waterfall that was installed about 14 years ago. You can see the plants have grown in nicely. We've got some annuals, some perennials, and most importantly, we got the sound of moving water. One of the best parts of this pondless waterfall in our garden is that upstairs our bedroom faces the street. When it's cool in the evenings, we can open those windows and hear the natural sounds of water. So soothing, relaxing, and what do you know, I'm out like a light. So come around to the backyard and see the rest of the family and the rest of the garden.
Hi, I'm Chaz. Behind me is our upper patio where we have 3 blue bubbly fountains.
Hi everyone, I'm Tonya Summers. I'm out here in our backyard pond feeding the fish. I would show you my favorite, but I don't see him right now. You just have to come over on September 18th and see him for yourself.
Hi everyone, I'm Lily Summers. Behind me is the Victoria water lily. If you come on the 18th, hopefully it'll be blooming since it blooms at night. You'll be able to see it in person.
We hope you come along on our garden tour. We call it Splash. Don't forget it's September 18th. Buy your tickets in the store or online at Chalily.com. There's 9 fabulous gardens. We've shown you a little bit of ours, but you get to spend all evening with us and have dinner here too. So we hope you join us for a garden tour. We call it Splash!